Hello. From childhood, everyone liked to draw something, scribble something. Everyone loves paints, colors, and they enjoy painting. Everyone wants to visualize something and draw, and that is where the difficulty is. But the challenge is how to use these colors on different papers, canvases, and different surfaces. Hi, I'm Shilpa Gode. I'm a professional artist and fine art expert. In my foundation course, I'll be doing exactly the same. I'll be teaching you tips and techniques about how to use paints, how to make things easy when you're drawing, when you're sketching, how to apply certain colors on certain surfaces, and the most important thing, how to bring depth to the entire painting. The best rule about art that there is no rule. The more you explore, your results are more interesting. In this course, we emphasize on using different mediums. For example, there's watercolor, there's acrylic, soft pastels, charcoal, etc. Sketching, blending, mixing, understanding different color schemes, and there is so much more. So let's take up a challenge. Let's hold brush one more time. Learn different tips and techniques from me and join me for this wonderful course, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.